Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, here I will explain and present about my research proposal seminar. And before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Nuraini Maslihah, and the title of my research proposal is The Use of English Language Program in SMK Al-Kamal to Enrich Students' Disciplinary Vocabulary. Okay, the first is introduction. So, in this research, there are two main words, vocabulary and English language program. Vocabulary is one of the most important language basics in learning English based on Nation in 2001. Vocabulary in this research is very important because students of SMK Al-Kamal lack of vocabulary and need to add their vocabulary in order to they understand what materials in their book. English language program is recognized as being one way to increase English insight, especially vocabulary. It is help students to knowing English knowledge in order to the students understand what is explained by the teacher and textbook written by author. Based on NMSA 2008. So, in this research, the researcher will explain about how to enrich vocabulary using English language program. Based on previous work, only focuses on teaching strategy to develop vocabulary mastery, but they did not discuss more about students' proficiency in English, especially their skill. Based on Ubaidah Hidayati on previous study, is a show that think, pair, share learning method can improve vocabulary and teaching learning process. And the benefits of English language program in SMK Al-Kamal to enrich students' disciplinary vocabulary need more investigating to better understanding about this research and knowing the students. And the next is the research question of this proposal. The first is how is the implementation of English language program in SMK Al-Kamal to enrich students' disciplinary vocabulary? And the second is how the students' perspective about English language program in SMK Al-Kamal to enrich students' disciplinary vocabulary. And the next is definition of key term. English language program or English language course is study which start from low level to high level. It is established for improve English skill of students in order to students get more understanding about the material of their books, and also they can interaction each other using English language. So in this research, English language program is one of subject which taken in SMK Al-Kamal. Vocabulary is primary need in SMK Al-Kamal because it is for understanding the materials in their course book. And then the literature review. The first is about English language program. English language program offers international students the chance to learn English or improve their English language skills. And for vocabulary, research has shown that second language readers rely heavily on vocabulary knowledge, and lack of the knowledge is the main. And the next is about methodology. The design of this research is qualitative research. The first source will be interview. The researcher will take the data with having some question for the tutors of ELP. And the second source given in 2008 are good secondary data source is pre-existing source data have been collected for a different purpose when conducting research. The researcher use three instruments. Those are interview, questionnaire, and documentation. In this research, the researcher will do the interview with two tutors from different grade or class. For the second is questionnaire. In this research, the researcher has 25 questions related ELP. In this research, the researcher used documentation from journal article and books. And the last explanation is about data analysis. So in this research, for how to analyze the data, the researcher uses descriptive qualitative. The step in analyzing data, the first is the researcher collects the data from interview and questionnaire. Then the researcher select, identify, and focuses on the data by formatting the problem. The second, after selecting the data, the researcher display the data into good sentence. And the third, after display the data, the researcher make the conclusion, moreover get the valid and significant data in interview which supported with questionnaire. And the questionnaire is analyzed by using descriptive statistic and make percentage. Okay, that's all of my presentation and explanation about my proposal seminar. And I hope you will give some comments in order to I will revise it into well proposal. And I'm sorry if have mistakes. And the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.